What is up, peoples? Welcome down to Wayvy Grayvy, the main show. You're with me, Daryl Edmund Oathbreaker Co. Want to wish all you guys a happy, merry Christmas. We got Santa Claus over here, got a nice tree. Hope you guys had a nice Christmas. I know I did. And as we're coming to the end of the year, I was going to say end of the world, but you know, what's the difference? Money is a very nice thing to have. You know, more is good. And what I have in store for you today, my guest is a very long time friend of mine. He is a partner with two firms that deal in Forex. So this guy's got a wealth of information on how you're going to make money. So without much further ado, I want to introduce to you my man, Mr. Jun Wei. What's up, bro? How's your Christmas, bro?
Christmas, okay, fine. We have been quite busy at the end of the year.
So end of the year is pretty busy lah.
Actually, because we recently launched a 4-day free course.
Okay.
And then we had over 500 participants.
So you guys...
we were massively preparing for this for the whole month.
Okay. So you guys do lessons as well. But before we get to that, just to clear the air for everyone out there, what is Forex? What exactly is Forex?
So, very generally speaking, Forex is foreign exchange. You trade one currency for another. So it's just in a very simple terms where you go to money changer and then you change your money. That's Forex trading already. So everybody engages in some kind of Forex trading. But you know, in recent years where technology comes about, you can start trading currencies with your computer, and then it's fast, the execution is fast. Then you know, that's where people start to make money with Forex, where you can trade the small difference where you know, if something appreciates against your currency, you just exchange for it and make money. So in layman terms, basically Forex is just exchanging currency.
Okay. Yeah. So it's all about you buy a certain currency, then you sell.
So for example, if now, just for example, Singapore and Malaysia, for example, if you take $1 Singapore dollars, you can exchange for 2 ringgit, for example. But let's say once you exchange to 2 ringgit, and then in time to come, with 2 ringgit, you can exchange back to Singapore with $1.10. Then you know, you actually earn 10 cents.
So you buy and then you keep for a while. But in order to do that, you must also more or less have information on how the market, the ups and downs in the market, how different currencies are affected.
Yeah, definitely. Your knowledge in terms of the especially the macroeconomics part of things, like how the countries developed, what's to come. Like for example, the recent COVID issues have affected the market quite a bit.
Okay.
So we look a lot into the macroeconomics of countries.
Okay. Yeah. So basically, I mean, for a layman like me, obviously, there's information out there on internet or whatever. But what you guys do, you're a partner of two firms, Forex, Briefcase, and LCMS, right?
Yeah.
So what one of LCMS, that one, you guys more or less educate people. You do courses. Tell me about that, the LCMS.
So LCMS Traders, we educate people on how to trade FX. I mean, the way we educate people is that we largely teach people how to look at Forex from an economic point of view, rather than, you know, a lot of courses out there, they teach you Forex more towards like looking at the chart, like a computer game. You look at the chart, this thing happens, that thing happens, then you buy or sell. But for us, we actually provide that whole foundation behind Forex. Like when you go through the whole course, you actually know what are the factors like GDP, employment rates, retail sales, blah, 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 how it affects the Forex market. And then from there, then you look at the charts and make a decision. So not many people actually have that knowledge to teach the economics part. But my partner, he has been trading for the past 12 years and he has a master's in economics. So he mashed everything up together and come up with a trading system that actually works.
Rather than just giving a guy a fucking fishing rod and the bait, and then you like, hey, nah, go and fish. You guys actually, you provide that as well, but you give them information. Okay, this is when the tide goes up. This is when you want to go. This is between what time to what time the fishes come out and shit. So,
Yeah,
so
exactly.
you educate them on the basics itself.
Yeah, exactly. Like
Okay.
this part of the sea has this fish. You need to use which fishing rod? You can't go and use that fishing rod to fish a big fish and stuff like that. Yeah.
So it's more informative and it's more detailed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is
That's a good
LCMS,
analogy.
right?
Yeah, that's LCMS Traders.
All right. That's where you educate people
Yeah,
and all. Okay.
correct.
And Forex Briefcase.
So Forex Briefcase is okay. So when my partner is the main founder of LCMS Traders. He started LCMS Traders teaching Forex, but as he's teaching, along the way, a lot of students ask, hey, can you help me trade Forex? Can you help me trade since you're trading so well? Can you help me trade? Back then he wasn't really, he didn't really want to help people to trade, mainly because, at the start, without technology, when you want people to trade for you, you literally have to, like, let's say you want me to trade for you, you have to pass me your money.
Cold hard cash.
Not cold cash, maybe you bank transfer me.
Or bank transfer.
But your money becomes my money. And then there needs to be a lot of trust here, right?
Okay.
And then there's this whole regulation issue, at the end. So at the end, he didn't really like the whole you transfer me money, I transfer your money kind of thing. So he didn't really want to trade for people.
Okay.
Anyway, he had a good trading size already, so he wasn't inclined to trade for people.
All right.
But as recent years come along, technology again, regulated brokerages actually provide that technology where you get to own your own trading account, and then I can trade for you.
Right.
I don't have access to your money at all. So you own your own trading account under your name. Only you can withdraw your own money, etc., etc., etc. We just trade for you. So with that current setup, everything regulated and stuff, it's much more comfortable for us to actually trade for people. So along the way, so he started with LCMS, and then he got a lot of requests. And then the recent 2 years, because of that technology, he said, okay, let's do Forex Briefcase.
And that's where you have it now.
Yeah, let's start trading for people.
So Forex Briefcase is if let's say I want to go into Forex but I don't know anything, so I go there, I tell you guys I have this amount of money.
Yeah,
you make me more money.
Exactly. So
see, that one I like.
yeah, so this one is really the hands-free passive income. You really don't need to learn anything. You just you open an account, trading account, then you give us the...
You want under table, pass me your money now.
Okay. Yeah, so anyway, you open a trading account, then we trade for you. So you don't really need to learn anything. It's really for the layman.
All right. So basically, the guys over here, if you're interested in making more money, who isn't? You guys have two options. One, all the information will be found in the description. The LCMS trading, there will be a link. You can, so basically, if you want to learn more, that's where you go to, right?
Yeah.
So if you learn and you can do it, you can basically do Forex yourself after you have all the information.
Yeah.
Or if you're lazy motherfucker like me, Forex Briefcase, you can go to the site, check it out, get in touch with my man over here. Just like me, give them a bit of money, and then you get back a bit in the end. And see, that's where I got this Santa Claus from. A bit of profits. So check that out in the description, and I will bring you to our first song. It is by a band called Madame Torment. The title of the song, check it out, is... There we go. I love the title. Bad Girl Rhythm and Blues. Madame Torment. Check it out. All the information's in the description as well. Peace.
Ooh, I want it just a little bit harder. Yeah, I want it right here in the center. Oh, you got me really, really grooving with this wicked
Boom. Bad Girl Rhythm and Blues by Madame Torment. Hope you guys liked that song. I liked it. And cheers to my awesome Owl Cup. Fits the Santa Claus and the tree as well. So, myself as well, I know shit about all of this. What is the difference between Forex and stocks?
Okay, I mean the most significant difference is Forex. We look at the currency market, especially in the macroeconomics of a country.
All right.
Whereas stocks, you mainly look at a company
Okay.
financials. Basically the main difference here is that Forex looks at countries, stocks looks at companies.
So how good a company is doing, that depends on the stocks. But for the Forex itself, it's because of currency. It depends on how the country is faring.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
The companies hardly affect currency.
Okay.
But for stocks, of course, you have to look at macroeconomic stuff also, because some countries, like current COVID issues, will also affect stocks. So, but it's really more towards a company financials versus Forex. And then, a lot of people say Forex is a larger market. It's a 24, they call it 24/7, but technically it's 24/5 lah, 24 hours. You can trade 24 hours, 5 days a week.
5 days a week, okay.
Whereas stocks, they open at 9 a.m., close at evening.
Oh yeah, they open and close the market,
Yeah,
right?
they open and close the market every day. So if you plan to trade part-time after your work, usually stocks you can. I mean, stocks is usually a longer term game. You buy now, maybe 1 month later you look at it again.
Okay. Forex? How about
Forex,
it?
you can literally just open the trade before your dinner, and then after dinner close your trade. You could have made a couple of maybe, I mean,
Okay.
depending on your lot size, you
Okay,
could
okay.
have made $10-20, $100 to $200.
Also, it is possible in a very short time frame for Forex.
Yeah, Forex you can trade very small time frames, very short term trades, few hours, but it doesn't happen every day.
Yeah.
You really need to know what is the news release coming up. Like in the Forex calendar, every month you have about 10 to 20 news events that is highly important, that will move the market in short term. So if you go to get a good grasp of these economic events, you can literally just enter the trade before the news, then let the trade pan out. I mean, not before the news. Maybe the news come out already. Then you enter the trade, let the news pan out everything. Then maybe you have made some money over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you're in Forex, I guess Forex or stocks, it is a plus to be well informed with current events, basically. Does it help? I mean, I guess it will, right? If you know what's happening in the world. I mean, you get up to date with current events. So you guys have to do that as well.
Yeah. Every day we go into the office, it's news after news after news. We just sit there and refresh our.
So what I imagine go
Bloomberg and stuff.
to your office, open the door, everybody reading newspaper.
Not newspaper
Oh,
lah.
I thought they read the news and shit. Oh yeah, now sorry.
Bloomberg lah.
Oh
Yeah.
man, not in TV. Bloomberg.
Yeah.
Oh,
Not even TV. It's like you just go to Bloomberg. The Bloomberg TV is on the browser already.
Oh yeah, Bloomberg. Fuck man,
Yeah.
see, fucking malu sah. I forgot about all that shit. Okay. So there is basically is there like an allotted time you're going like from this time to this time? You guys get your update and shit, or your own free time when you do your own thing. But it's good to get your updates.
Okay, so in the office we do have one guy, which is our currency strategist. He is eye on the market, not 24/7. As long as he's in office, at home he also looks at the market lah. But he's always in the market. Anything happens, he will just let us know. But we also do our own reading. So but yeah, we kind of rely on that guy to give us any unexpected happenings that happen. Yeah. Into
Right.
the market.
Before I move to the next one, I just wanna get a summary.
Okay.
So Forex, 24/5. So it's Monday to Friday, any time of the day you can trade
Yes.
Forex.
Yeah.
Stocks, there you say that is a cutoff time. It's like a 9 to 5 where you can go in the market. But weekends no as well, right?
Weekends. Actually, I'm not too sure about stocks though, but yeah, I think no, because like based on the exchange, if you are trading a stock on Hong Kong exchange, you trade the GMT plus 8, maybe 9 to 6, I have no idea. I'm not a avid stock trader. Then if you trade the US stocks, you have to look at it from night.
Whichever time zone it is.
Yeah, they are open over there. So
Alright.
yeah, so I would assume weekends you don't have anything to enter. Yeah.
Alright, so you've got a good weekend. So just remember this. I mean, the difference more or less between Forex and stocks. Forex, you depend on the country's development.
Yep, that's right.
Situation. And stocks, basically, it is dependent on the individual companies where you buy the stocks from.
That's right. Yeah.
Alright, and basically trading weekdays, weekends, you can enjoy yourself. You know what I mean? So don't forget that, guys. Any questions? I got his details down in the description. He'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Alright, this is Mr. Jun Wei. Let me take a sip. One more question though, before we get to our next song. What are name me maybe one or two of the biggest misconceptions people get about Forex, and like maybe myths, and like people say, no, don't buy Forex. You know, you see those people, they lose so much money, they get bankrupt, they commit suicide. I mean, enlighten us on that. Like any misconceptions.
So, right off my mind is two main big misconceptions. One is Forex can make you 20% a month kind of returns.
Yeah, those.
Yeah, okay. So to us, right, anything above 10% a month, or even 7 or 8% a month, you are try to be more vigilant on what people are saying, because if very simple, if I can make 20% a month, what does that mean? That means that I can also easily lose 20% of a month. But you see, when you lose money on your capital, let's say you lose 20% this month, and let's say you start with 10,000, and then you lose 2,000, you left with 8,000. For that 8,000 capital, to get back to your 10,000 capital, you need to trade a lot more, because now your capital size is lesser already.
So the percentages need to go higher, basically.
Correct. So you need to, because your capital is lesser, the lot size that you're entering is smaller. And then to get back to your 10,000, you need more trades. And then with more trades, more risk, everything happens. But so I always tell people to look at both sides. If he say he can make 20% a month, fine. But can he also lose 20% a month? If he can lose 20% a month, it is really very hard to trade back that 20%. Whereas our philosophy is, we tell the students, or we give our clients a good benchmark market rate, where it's hard to find something that gives you 20% a year outside. I mean, who really provides 20% a year?
If anybody got 20% a year, please let me know. We'll talk to you guys.
Okay, so if you have, it's actually benchmark. Usually, you go to a banker and stuff, they will tell you that 5 or maybe even 10% a year is really very hard. But for us, we tell people, look, aim for 20% a year. It's already way above market. But at the same time, 20% a year, you're looking at 2% a month. If you lose 2% a month on your account, it's actually because you lose 2% of 10,000 is only $200. You don't really need to change a lot of your trading.
Okay,
you can
fair
still
enough.
fight back that 200 and then win more. So that whole risk issue there is lesser. But at the same time, if you keep your appetite, you don't be greedy, and then you aim for 20% a year kind of returns, it's way above market rate already.
Okay.
So don't take unnecessary risk. So that's the first one. If people tell you like, I can make 100% a month, run away.
Fuck.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Second one is a lot of MLM. Okay, we don't talk about Forex. We talk about traditionally gold. Gold also came out with some scam companies use gold as the vehicle to attract money. Then they play the money game, MLM. I take my money, give this person, that kind of thing. Okay, then after that, stocks they don't really do it with. They don't really badmouth the name but after that, Forex. So again, MLM tap on. I help you trade Forex, but actually it's just a money game. Then in recent years, now crypto is the victim.
Yeah. But is crypto bad or good? Just to sidetrack a little bit.
Actually, it's just a mechanism for you to okay, whether trading crypto or not, whether it's something to actually look at, like the blockchain and everything, that's debatable. That we can have one whole session. But crypto in itself, it's a thing. So it's not bad or good. It's like Forex. I told you, Forex is exchange of currency. So it's not bad or good. It's just that, with being able to make money with it, then people start using that as a backstory. Oh, I can make you 20% a month.
So that's how the MLM came in.
Then after that, they take your money. Then the whole MLM scheme starts coming about lah. So that whole misconception of Forex, where people hear Forex it must be a scam, is because a lot of these scam companies
They give Forex they give Forex a bad name lah.
Yeah.
All right.
Just like back then, gold was also given a bad name. Now crypto is given the bad name. So really need to,
So when will love be given a bad name? Sorry, that's fucking lame.
I need to ask Bon Jovi.
But alright. So I mean, if you do get approached by people, investors and all, and if they somehow promise you with high percentages, do be wary. Do not be enticed by it, because like what you said, it makes sense. If you can make 20%, then there's a chance you could lose 20%. And because how percentages work, if you lose that 20%, to make back, you can't make 20% to make back what you just lost. You need to make more. So the bigger the reward, the higher the risk. So I mean, it's good that they don't go all out and promise you big things, when more or less they kind of tone it down a bit, make it a bit more realistic. Alright, that's good. And also MLM giving a lot of shit a bad name. Who knows, they might have given love a bad name. We do not know. But yes, not really a fan. I'm not really a personal fan of MLM. Are you?
No. They definitely give health a bad name also lah.
Oh yeah, they all that shit. But I don't know. All these bad shit about MLM, I mean, there must be some companies that actually did it right. So I don't know if you guys are hearing it and you know about any companies that did MLM right. Please let me know. I am more than happy to get more info on that.
Me too.
Yeah, man. All right. I'll bring you guys our next song. It is by a Singaporean band. They fucking awesome brutal metal band. They're called Oshiego. The title of the song is called Scion Ov Balance. Check it out. Peace.
Scion Ov Balance, glorious game. Nightfall begins with the march of the blade. Organic siren, Ancient scum and the elder god, they tremble at my presence. Scion Ov Balance, I'm getting tyrant. Butttxt gain, it's done now. Scion Ov Balance.
Boom, Oshiego, Scion Ov Balance. Hope you guys love that song, because obviously, I always tell you guys, I love that shit. That's not COVID though. COVID's fucked everything up. I don't think I know any good thing that came out of COVID. So, how has it affected the market?
Okay, so like I mentioned previously, the Forex market actually depends on the macroeconomic stuff like the employment rate, retail sales, your bank loans and stuff like that. So obviously with COVID, less employment, less retail sales. So generally the market outlook of the country, especially US, is very bad. So with that, any form of news coming out, like the next day they have like few 100,000 cases, few 100,000 deaths and stuff like that. How many people get unemployed? You know, it affects the market in a lot of ways. Sometimes negatively, sometimes positively.
Okay.
But basically, it has turned the whole forex market quite choppy.
Okay.
Yeah. Another phenomenon that we realize is that volume has picked up in terms of traders coming in to trade. I believe because being unemployed or at work from home, they have a lot of time. Kena lockdown. Yeah.
So they find different ways to make money lah.
Yeah. They find many different. So a lot of, I think recently it also came out in the news where some people traded and then committed suicide.
Yeah,
something like that lah.
You see, they haven't watched this episode yet. That's why.
Yeah, I think he had close to a few 100,000 losing positions.
Holy
and he couldn't take it.
shit.
And he, not local, I think US, something like that. Yeah, so, and a lot of gamblers, online gamblers, like, you know, they gamble the football, online gambling, soccer and stuff. They also turn to Forex trading.
Yeah.
Yeah, they treat it like a gamble. Not only Forex, stocks also. So all of them, I think Robinhood or something like that, have you heard of that? They came together and then they went and whack a particular stock.
Really?
Yeah, quite interesting lah. But basically, a lot of volume picked up. In fact, like our LCMS traders, we also have quite a few people. It's because they transitioning from jobs to jobs during this period, lockdown, nothing to do. They came and learn lah. Yeah, so yeah, two things lor. One is the choppy of the market, second choppiness of the market, and then the phenomenon of more traders coming up.
I guess it's because the market has been fucked because of what COVID did. But yeah, it makes sense because of all the lockdown and all the stay home. People can't go to work. People lose their jobs. That I guess they have to find an alternative. So I don't think you can't really say it's a good or bad thing for trading. Like, it's just a thing basically.
Yeah, it's a thing. Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna switch the mood up a bit, because COVID's always so fucking gloomy, and there's always one guy you can count on to make you smile or either cringe. I know. I'm gonna give my man Jeevan a call. Let's do this. answer the phone lah, walao. Don't like me or what?
Hello?
I thought for a minute you weren't gonna answer. You just ignoring me and shit, bro.
Sorry, man. Indian timing. I was a bit late to the phone.
Indian timing. Yeah. So we're just talking about like how
Mm-hmm.
how COVID was affecting the market and fucking everything up. And so I told them that everything's so gloomy. They can always count on one person to make them smile or cringe. And I gave you a call, bro. So hit us up with something, man.
Sure. I'm so glad you can call me up to lighten up your day. You know what? I was thinking about creating a few jokes with a bit more of a local twist this time.
Okay.
So, you guys ready?
They're born ready, bro.
Okay. All right. What do you call a Chinese baby that was born prematurely?
Chinese baby that's born prematurely. What do you think, bro?
Chinese baby that born prematurely. I have no idea, man.
guys-
Fuck that. Let's go, bro. What is it, bro?
Suddenly.
Wow, sudden,
Wow.
wow. So now you play with all the Chinese people, now you.
Hey, man. Local twist, bro. Don't worry, I got plenty to go for every race, man.
Okay, bro. What's next, bro? What's next?
Okay. Why do Indians like onde onde?
Why do Indians like onde onde? I don't know, man.
Okay, well,
Okay, why?
whenever you call them, they're always on their way.
Well, bro. Okay, this one. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. This one was not one of your best. Not one of your best. Hey, bro, you
Alright,
gotta
okay.
pick it up, bro. You gotta pick it up, bro. Come on.
Okay. I got one more.
All right, let's do this.
How do you confuse a mud rape?
How do you confuse a mud?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. You got time, not?
Bro.
Okay. Go ahead. What? Like,
Okay. You put him in a circular room and ask him to go relax one corner.
Oh, you fucker! No, I tell you, after you hear this, if you get hammered, right? I don't blame you, bro.
Okay, I got one more if you have time.
Can give me one more.
Okay. So, who is noisier, coffee or bread?
Who is noisier, coffee or bread? Let me see. I say coffee because coffee is hot. I don't know why. I don't see anything.
No idea, man.
Okay, well, the answer is actually bread. Because you know why? Because bread talk.
I knew you were gonna say that. Wow.
Hey man, local twist, bro. Local twist.
Local twist.
Some
The
Singaporean
people-
player right there.
The people that hear this, they're probably gonna twist you when they see you, bro. Fuck. Hey,
Definitely.
thanks anyway, bro. At least you still bring a smile to our faces,
And live to impress. Alright, guys.
I love you, bro. Ciao.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Ciao. No worries, man. Bye-bye.
Fucking hell, Jeevan gonna kena hammer after this, I tell you. I'll bring you guys the next song. It is by a Singaporean band called Q's, Cueus, Q's. And the song, the title is Butttxt. In my mind, it seems like Butttxt. You guys Butttxt, but call people. Check out this song. I fucking love it. The change of the melodies, and it's just very nice and surreal. Butttxt, or as I will call it, Butttxt from Q's. Check it out. Peace. Hope you like that song. I loved it. Peace. Let me take a sip first. Alright, so we're just talking about how COVID affected the market and everything also. I'd assume everything is not as good as it used to be, it's a bit down. So is it a good time for someone who is fresh or someone looking to start Forex? Is it a good time for them to get into it now?
Yeah, I mean, just gonna give the answer that I would always give is it's never a bad time.
Alright.
As long as you start, it's always good, because even if right now the markets are down or choppy, you still can start, because you need to learn first. You need to start learning the concepts, the foundation, before you actually can start trading. So instead of waiting for the market to be better and then wasting time, just jump on it, learn. Anyway, sooner or later, even if now the market is good, sooner or later the market will be bad, choppy. So why not just jump on it, learn from the current market situation first, and then when the market situations turns better, you are well equipped already. Yeah.
So basically there isn't a good or bad time to enter the market. It's just a matter of what you get in your returns are basically, but you would suggest get into it.
Okay, so I think based on this question, I need to educate a bit on what's the difference between Forex trading and like buying a stock. So when you buy a stock, right, you would usually time the market because you want your stock to go up. So you would time the market. I buy Apple stock, I want it to go up, so I want to time the market. Whereas Forex trading, you don't really hold on to a position for very long. And Forex trading, you can buy and sell. So you can tap on the uptrend, or you can tap on the downtrend. Downtrend you can sell and make money too. So so there's no really a need to time the market. Whether the market is up or down, you can do both, buy or sell. You can still so-called take action, make money.
There's something you can do either way lah.
Yeah, correct. So, and then you're not holding on to a position, like you don't buy USD for the long run, and then right now market is not good, it may drop even further. That kind of idea is really, you just trade. As the market goes up, you trade for profits. As the market goes down, you trade for profits also.
Okay.
So it's never a holding of position, finding the right timing. Yeah.
All right. Nice. So if, we all want to make money quick, obviously, and LCMS Traders, you guys train people or offer courses and classes, right?
Yeah.
So just a rough throw out there. If let's say someone fresh were to start with you guys, in how long would they more or less be adequate enough to trade on their own?
Okay. So the how long really depends on how much time you can put into the activity. It's not like boxing. The more you practice, the better you get, right? Yeah. So but if you want me to give a round figure, I would say at least give yourself 3 months of so-called demo trading, paper trading, demo trading lah, basically. Nowadays very, very convenient. The brokerage all allows a $100,000 demo account. Then you can just play lah, basically. You don't lose any money one lah.
Or with the current market lah.
Yeah, with the current market prices and everything. So at least give yourself 2 to 3 months, but properly practice, and not like, I rest for 1 month, trade every month, I trade 1 or 2 trades only. Then that wouldn't equate. You need at least put in at least 50 to 100 trades in to really know what it feels like trading. So give yourself maybe 3 months and then 50 to 100 trades kind of data so that you know yourself whether trading is for you or not, whether it's working for you or not. So that's why, just putting in a plug is for LCMS Traders, we are very low in price.
Okay,
so we don't
affordable.
sell
Nice.
we are affordable. We don't sell our courses in like $2,000 to $3,000. We actually, our first Kickstarter is actually free, totally free. You can learn all the concepts in 4 videos, free. But of course, you would need, if you don't need the support, fine. You can, with the 4 videos, you are all ready already. But if you need the support, we actually have a subscription model where we support you. There's a Facebook group. We provide you trades for you to look at, trade ideas and stuff. That is only $199 US a year.
A year, alright.
Yeah,
alright.
so we keep things affordable because actually we are not okay. So a lot of another market misconception, or rather a myth is that
Let's do
people
this.
say, hey, why you can trade so well, you want to sell calls? You make money from calls or you make money from trading? A lot of people say that. Yeah, so for us is we want to come out and so-called kill the market lah. We want to say that no, we don't make money from causes. 199 a year, bro, how much we make?
I mean, but personally speaking, I mean, yeah, even though if you can trade, I mean, there's so many. You bring it out to boxing, you bring it out to so many other aspects. They make money from their craft, but like if they want to teach, fuck lah, you still got to make money from teaching, or you can't teach people for free, what?
It's true. There's time involved.
But I assume that, I mean, looking at the 199 USD a year, that's fucking cheap.
Yeah. So we are here to break the myth lah that we really make money from trading, but at the same time we like to teach. Or rather, my partner really like to teach, so we keep the teaching very affordable. So, yeah, that's how we go about.
Okay lah. I mean, looking at it, don't be a stingy fucker lah. You want to learn to make money, come out with a bit of money first lah. You don't expect to start with zero and in fucking next few months be rich buying Ferraris and shit. You gotta come out of a bit to make a bit at least.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's just I think the prices are pretty affordable, and so everything can be found on the LCMS website, right?
The link.
Yeah, the link will all
down
be
below,
in the description.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you're new, just maybe want to dip your toes into Forex, go check it out. 2 to 3 months to go by that fast, and if you put the work in, I guess it's more of practice makes perfect.
Yeah.
The more you do, the more you'll be more used to the interface.
Yeah.
How everything works, it'll be easier lah to navigate.
Yeah, exactly. How the prices move, how the market moves according to what news. Just need to keep looking at it, trade it. You cannot just look lah. I mean, like you cannot just look
Gotta
at
be hands-on lah.
you really need to hands-on, feel the pain of losing money. At the same time, feel the excitement of winning money.
So
and
these
then-
demo trades, you feel the pain of losing money without losing money.
That demo trade, you don't really feel the pain lah. But what we always tell people is, you finish your demo, give it about 100 trades in, you get a good feel about your own trading strategy already, and then start trading a small account. That's where you start feeling the pain.
Okay. I guess somehow or other you need to do it.
Yeah. You have to
at least get proper training, I guess.
spill some blood.
Yeah, okay, why not? I like that. All right. So, next track. Very nice title. Leading up to this learning and then giving it 2 or 3 months and getting in and finally doing your first trade. It's called Ready Already. Are you ready already to get your trading career on? Okay, let me screw that aside. The artist is called Phfew. Pheww, I think, but I pronounce it Phfew. It's very, very nice, chill tune, lighten up the mood. Title of the song is Ready Already. Check it out. Peace.
That thing
go? Could I go with you? Could I go? Could I go? Could I go with you? Could I go? Could I go? Could I go with you?
That was Ready Already. Hope you liked that song. Give that guy a follow. Make his day. Cheers to that, my man. Is Forex considered investing? Investments because some people think Forex is investing. Tell us more about that.
Okay, in a way, if you buy something at a low price and you wait and then you sell, I mean, investment, or is it a business, or even, I mean, if you buy an apple for $1 and you sell for $2, is that investment? Is that business? It's debatable lah. But
Okay,
I mean,
okay.
for me, if you ask me, investing, I would like it to be more of a longer term. Like I buy a property, wait 5 years, sell, wait 10 years, sell, or something that I don't really need to do, passive income or investment.
Okay.
Where I buy a unit trust or what, let's leave it there. Then those I would consider investing. So if like you let me trade your funds, then you don't have to do anything. 1 year later,
Forex briefcase.
briefcase, correct.
So if like what I'm doing with Forex briefcase right now, I give you guys a bit of money.
Yep.
So that's called investment lah. So you guys do the trade for me lah.
Yeah, correct. So 1 year later or 6 months later, you look at it grow, then you don't really have to do anything. That's some sort of an investment for you. Yeah, but if you really actively look at the trades every day, it's really more of a, in a way, for me personally, I wouldn't term it as investment lah, because you're really so-called working. You have to look at the trades
It's like a
actively.
job lah.
Actively look at the trades and then enter the trades, sell the trades and stuff like that. So how you define that? You can define that as investing because you're also buying low, selling high. So it's not really up to your
So not
definition.
really hard and fast rule to
Yeah.
this is investing or not. It's just how you look at it lah, basically.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, fair
Yeah,
enough, understand.
yeah.
And how much money would you need going into this? Because there's a lot of people saying, no, you need a lot of money, you can't do it, you need X amount. Is there, I mean, enlighten us on like
Okay.
roughly how
Got
much
it,
you need.
Got it. So actually, for most trading accounts, brokerages only let you. You can open a trading account with anywhere from $50 to $500. That's the lower minimum. So obviously, with a small trading account, any wins that you gain from the market is going to be small lah. Like 500, if you win 10 trades, maybe you win. If you win 10%, maybe it's $50. You can't really do anything much with $50. Yeah. So but yeah, you can start small to try to train your own trading strategy or methodology. Yeah, but in short, the answer is you can start with easily $50 to $500, and you can have a trading account already.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you don't really need to have money in the thousands to start lah.
Yeah, you don't need.
All right. So I mean, so what I'm thinking about is, I mean, we really start small. I mean, but sooner or later, the compound, you get money, you add it in.
Yeah.
Sooner or later, you get up to something else lah.
Yeah, exactly.
To a bigger amount.
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys know you don't have to have money in the 4-5 figures to start. You can even start as, I mean, that's what you said, so $50 to $500. You can start. So I mean, you don't have to look at this as your main source of income, but something on the side, and who knows, you might have a flair in this. And yeah, so to answer your question, you don't need a big sum of money to actually get into this and start.
Yeah.
All right. That's nice. How much did you start with? Like for your when you first heard about this, when you opened, did you go like a big amount?
No lah. So my own little bit of my own story is I started Forex trading during my NS days.
Oh, okay.
So my friend we were clerks lah, basically, not the Chiong Chuan one lah. We talking clerks down there, do nothing.
Well, you can forge all the MC or after they go jail or.
Oi, how you know?
Alright, sorry, it didn't happen. Nothing happened.
Yeah, okay. So anyway, we had a lot of time lah. So we all went we went online and searched how to trade. So basically, back then not much money, so I just started same 500
Okay.
USD just to trade the Forex market. So just a little bit of education when you start small, right? You actually trade the micro lots. So micro lots is you're talking about cents, few cents lah. So I started with 500, then we were trading a few cents. We trade $1-2, but the excitement is there lah because it's winning money. Then once your strategy got proven right, you're very excited on lah because you know that this 500 right, it could be 5,000, it could be 50,000, right? So I started back then when I NS. Then when I go through a bunch of courses that was charging like the 2-3K kind of range one lah, but didn't really work out well. So that's where I chanced upon LCMS Traders. So LCMS Traders, I didn't start LCMS Traders, but I'm right now like a partner of the firm lah because I met the owner of LCMS Traders, which is our current managing partner. So he taught me well because I think he go through the whole spectrum like I told you, from the foundation all the way to the technical charts.
All right.
So I think it works well for me because I personally want to understand the whole thing before I trade. So it works well for me, and then I slowly increased my account size from, after knowing him, within a good 6 months, I increased my account size from 1,000 US to about 25,000 US.
Holy shit! Nice.
So I was trading with 25, and then it keep increasing.
Okay. Nice. All right. So, start small, ramp it up big if it's for you. So, personally, I think it's good to start small. The fact that you can, I think for those who are new, it's good to start. So if it's not your thing, the losses are not huge, I guess.
Yeah.
If it's not, so all right, that's a nice thing to do.
But don't stuck at a small account forever because
Okay.
because it will not be any different from demo trading already. So let's say you are always trading $500, but loss you are losing $5. To you it's like $5 is nothing lah, So it's like you don't feel the pain. Whereas you need to keep growing that, keep topping up, make sure that account is relative to your psychology. So that if you lose trade, you actually need to feel the pinch. If not, you will just be anyhow trading already.
Oh yeah, that's true. So you need to find the sweet spot lah. Basically, if you lose, then you do feel the pinch, and maybe you need to step it up, pay a little bit more attention, do a bit more research.
Exactly.
And then you see if it's for you.
Exactly. Find quality trades because you don't want to feel the pain again, that kind of stuff.
Okay. Nice. We'll do that. Bringing you the next track is by a band called Every Rage I Seek. I happen to know the frontman, Azza. He's a fucking nice ass chap. He's from 5G as well. So check it out. Scorching Earth? Give me a minute. Scorched Earth. Yeah. Scorched Earth by Every Rage I Seek. Check it out. Peace. Scorched Earth by every rage I seek. Fuck yeah. Got a question now. I mean, I always got questions for you. I mean, it has personally got me a bit interested as well. I mean, would you recommend someone to do this full time? Just trade full time?
Yeah, I mean, why not? Why not? We ourselves, we are full-time traders.
Okay.
But I mean, of course, everything comes with a but. The what do you call that? Compensation here is that number one, time. Transition, especially transitioning, if you are losing your job due to like bo pian lah, you have to gonna retrench or what, then you don't really have much savings. Then it might be very tough for you to transition into trading because you need a certain period of time, like I mentioned, you need to learn and stuff like that. So it might be quite hard.
Okay.
And then secondly is you need huge capital, because if you think about it, if you want a good income, say 5K a month, and then 5K a month equates to say 10%, which is quite a lot already lah. 10% of your capital. Say you can do 10% ROI a month, which is like I mentioned is a lot, right? 10% a month. So if you want a 5K income, 10% a month, you need a 50K capital. So
Okay.
I mean, how many people really have 50K to trade with?
Okay.
So that's the second consideration. So first one is time, second one is capital.
Capital lah. Okay.
Yeah, then the third one is really really being able to trade well lah.
Okay. Okay. So
Right.
that one, the trading well part would depend on how they learn lah, basically their foundation, how they pick up the
yeah.
tips and the tricks
Correct,
and all.
correct,
So
correct.
that in itself takes time as well lah. If you're fresh.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So
So what
Okay.
what happens is a lot of people, they start being a part-time trader. Then they think that they can from part-time transition to full-time. But the pitfall here is that, okay, I'm a part-time trader, but I think that I want to trade at night. So the question for me to you is, are you really able to trade at night? Because if you reach home, especially if you have kids, put them to sleep by the time 11, then you need to trade to 3 a.m. Then by the time you wake up 7 a.m, you need to start your job again. So usually people give up.
because the not enough rest and
Not enough rest.
Okay,
Then
okay,
when not enough rest, you can't really trade well.
Can't
But I'm
focus
not
lah.
saying it's impossible. It's definitely possible, but it's the commitment lah. So
Okay,
actually, third
okay.
factor is really commitment here lah.
all right.
Do
So
you have that commitment to make that transition?
if you want to fresh off the boat, go go full time on this, then you probably need capital. I mean, obviously lah.
Yeah,
if
yeah.
this is your only source of income,
Yeah.
then you need
Yeah.
a lot of capital. So
Yeah.
for people like me, I guess if I do want to do this, maybe it's a part-time thing on
Yeah.
the side,
Yeah.
and then slowly, and then you transition lah.
Yeah, transition. Yeah.
Okay. So I mean, if you guys are thinking about, you've been watching this whole episode, thinking of maybe I want to do a full time, just remember that working on this part time and full time is a very big game changer, I guess.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
a total different lifestyle.
Yeah, very different.
I mean, the transition itself, you want to switch, which makes sense. I mean, if you want to make 5,000 a month, so and you're working on a 10%, what is this profit
a month kind
on
of.
a month, then you probably obviously need 50,000.
Yeah, but I mean, like I said, 10% is a month is quite hard already. If you're looking at 5% a month,
And then you
means you're
probably need
looking at
100,000.
100K, bro. Yeah.
You need 100,000.
Yeah.
If you got 100,000, you let me know. You could work something out as well.
Yeah.
All right. So just once again, don't be fooled by what you see out there. That like what you were saying earlier on, 20%, 10%. Yeah, forget all that money. But you gotta pay attention to the back end. What you need to get that 20%, what you need to get that 10%, which is what, if you're looking at the 5,000, you need to back calculate. So don't just throw all your eggs in one basket. Do a bit of research, and like I said, LCMS is over there. Give them a call, contact them. I think they'll be more than happy to enlighten you guys on how to get your journey going.
Yeah.
All right, perfect. And I never forget about Evil Singing Pandas, ESP, Remy and Rex, two awesome guys. Next song is called Zombiepura. one of their later songs right now. So give it a listen. Zombiepura, Evil Singing Pandas. Peace.
Hey, we've got just 5 shots, but it's just the 2 of us. But wait, there's so many of them. Run, we were at number 4, holding shots when it won. We got 5 on the step, but we're holding the guns. There are 5 million zombies and my body ain't one. They just want to eat our brains as we slowly go insane. Close your eyes, you'll feel no pain. In this song we got with change. Run, here we go, we're in this together, we can't go solo. Left foot, right foot, keep up the tempo. I'll be cash and you be tango. Run, here we go. You want to oppose, no time to go mellow. Run for life to see tomorrow. You're the ace and I'm a B-Mono. Started from the bottom with the BMT. Ram like a madman and I to the G. Full better order in the SOC. But where is the purple light in the valley? This is the reason why we join the army. Protect our islands from the enemy. With my rifle and my body and me. Zombiepura is not my country. We're on the run. We are wearing number 4, holding shot 21. We got 5 bullets left, so we're holding the guns. There were 5 minutes zombies and my body in one. In this blood, zombie will reign. In the storm of the light rain. Violence of April and Cain. In this song we got with change.
That's right, motherfuckers. This is Lance, the king of black metal, and about 500 other things most people can't handle. From Butttxt, the most extremely extreme Norwegian black metal band from Gary, Indiana, ever probably, and you can have anyone basically. And anyway, right now we're talking about the evil singing pandas. You got motherfucking Randy Evil Panda from Singapore, and motherfucking Rex Mike from Bangkok, Thailand. If I were you right now, I'd be scared as fuck. Of course, I'm not personally scared as fuck, because I'm like the king of black metal from West State, like I just told you, I'm basically the most metal motherfucker of all time. So I'm fine, in fact, as soon as I can save up enough money for a plane ticket, I'm just gonna fly the fuck over to Singapore, Thailand, and maybe Corgi at the same time, I already know. And I'm gonna hang out with these guys, I'm gonna hang out with the evil singing pandas, forever. I'm gonna drive around and give a finger to people for no apparent reason. Maybe get some snacks, maybe a nice chicken dish or noodle dish, I'm not sure. And it's gonna be awesome. And if anyone gives us a hard time, I'll just totally freak out. And give us your finger, I don't even know. Okay, go to the next part of the show.
Zombiepura. 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 Zombiepura.
Zombiepura, but evil. Evil. I can't even talk properly. Evil singing pandas. Fuck yes. If you could be a dish, what would it be?
I will probably be a crab, maybe a chili crab.
Sial lah, chili crab. Kau nak
Good ah.
fucking mantou ah.
The mantou.
Okay. Chili crab.
Yeah.
But like why though? Why?
I think for the fact that it is hard. Okay lah, it's hard. It's hard on the outside, but when you really able to open everything, it's actually quite.
Oh, like you and that, yeah. I mean, the first time when I got to know him, he was like still a kid, cause I'm friends with his brothers. So I had this small kid walking around, fucking actions, I fucking punch his face, no. Then after I get to know him, he's fucking nice guy. So okay.
Yeah,
It makes sense.
I think it makes sense to me lah. Like when you ask me this question, yeah, first thing is like chili crab. Yeah, because usually what people say to me, hey, the exact same thing like, you this guy like cool walao. Sometimes want to punch.
He's not cool. He is cool. Yeah.
Yeah, but after you get to know me, drink a bit, we get along well.
Okay.
So actually, it's quite. So in case if you see me outside and I don't look friendly, it doesn't mean I'm
Yeah. No. He's not quite like. Oh, he's a very nice guy. Yeah. Okay. Chili crab. Also, before we end off the episode, I always have this question. The last question I always ask my guests. Give these guys out there some relation. You're married, happily married.
Yeah.
You're happily married.
Yeah.
You got a kid.
Yeah.
One or two?
One.
One, right?
Yeah.
I keep thinking you always have two. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I always see the picture of your kid. Like, I think there's one more. Right. I mean, from happily married man with one kid, hit them up with some advice, man, on how to stay happy and relationship advice, basically.
Okay. I mean, I would say, one word lah.
Okay.
Or rather, one word like 4 letters lah. The fact that okay,
it's not that 4 letters.
not that 4 letters, bro. Okay, but basically the 4 letter here I would say is GTFO, get the fuck out.
Okay.
Okay, why I say that is because if it comes to a point where you need relationship advice, get the fuck out already.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like
Okay.
like it wouldn't end well. I mean, at any point of time you sit here and say, fuck bro, why? I mean, as an occasional, I talk to my bro, hey, fuck bro, how do I handle this? Okay lah, but you really need to sit down and like really think about this relationship. Just get the fuck out. No point
Shit,
really.
okay, I've never thought of it that way. I mean, hey, she's dropping some truth over here.
Yeah.
Okay, if you do look at it that way, I guess maybe if you have to literally go to the internet and type out relationship advice, then I guess something is wrong.
Yeah, something is very wrong.
Okay. So I mean, it's not telling you to do it, but it's just his point of view. If you really have to type out and like I need relationship advice, get the fuck out. That's just one point of view. So I wanna thank my man Jun Wei over here for dropping some knowledge down. For letting you guys know the difference between Forex and stocks, and actually creating misconceptions about foreign exchange trading as well. And I think after this episode, personally as well, I'm more enlightened. I it's actually not as difficult as I thought it was to get into it. And now even with LCMS Traders, like I said, everything's in the description. LCMS Traders, where you can go and sign up, get classes. They have their subscription, or they have that free
4-day course.
That free 4-day course as well. It's free. You might as well check it out. Who knows? Forex might be a thing. It might get a bit of money, and we're coming to the end of 2020, and man, money is always a good thing to have, man. So you could check that out. Or if you don't want to dip your hands into it, you just want to throw some money aside, you have money to spare, Forex Briefcase.
Yep.
That's what I'm doing. I'm too busy with work and fighting. I can't possibly just trade. So put in some money with them, and they really take care of your interest. They don't take high risks. They can't guarantee you can't guarantee returns, but they really take care of your account. So I want to thank my man so much for coming down, enlightening you, and have a Merry Christmas. Have a fucking awesome New Year. I'll see you guys on the 10th of January. I'm gonna leave you with a song by Corgi. It is called Chameleon. So check it out. Daryl Edmund, Oathbreaker Co., Jun Wei. Keep it all wavy gravy, baby. Peace.